I knew it was going to rain today, but it shifted, so it rained earlier. So it just started raining at 4 o'clock. It started raining at 7. I'm changing things up a little bit on the planning, but I'm not going to make you guys watch rainy footage. Just know that it's just before 8 and I'm on the bike. No breakfast or coffee yet. I woke up and the first thing I did was check the forecast, and it said rain starting in 25 minutes, and that was at 7 a.m. And I said, oh, well, I'm freaking gone. So I jumped up and I had made some plans on where to go last night. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll be there in 2 hours, and it'll be worth it, I promise. All right, we headed south for a while. Now we're heading east. We're following very closely the we're following very closely the this is so much stuff to look at, sorry. It's a bear with Donald Trump written inside of it. It was an old bear. So we're heading, basically what we're going to do is we're going to, very soon as I can find an access road, we're going to hang a hard right and go south for a bit, right to the coast, and we're going to follow the coastline all the way on the southern portion of the Upper Peninsula. So we get off this 55-mile-an-hour road and kind of switch to a slower road. The rain's chasing me out of Michigan. That's where we are right now. I wouldn't dare do any off-roading today for a couple of reasons. One, it's freaking wet on the trails. But two, I'm just very sore and I don't want to drop the bike any more times. And, you know, I'm tired of going from fire road to not a fire road. And so, but I'm still going to have a nice time. Very scenic drive south. I'll get back to you guys and see the coast. And then I think I'm dipping through into mainland Michigan today. To east to Ignace. Sorry, we're not going to be going. Let's go forward here to Escanaba. Let's just go in for a second. I'll get some gas over here as well. I'm ready to live, play, shop, and dine. So now we are riding alongside Lake Michigan on US 2. I'm going to dip down a couple of times here and check out things from the other, you know, from a closer vantage point. It's kind of dirty, huh? It's also kind of a dreary day. The Garmin Zumo XD has a really cool feature where you could say, okay, take me to this place, but then I want to edit the route and I want to put my finger on spots I want to hit on the way. It's not waypoints. It's like they're not waypoints. It's like they actually direct you down to where you want to go, but it's not a waypoint. It's hard to explain, but basically I dip my finger, so I'm dipping down in all these little gullies that ride Lake Michigan. I know you guys can't see it, but see this black trail above me? I know you can't see it, probably. There's a black trail above me. Those are like gnats, but like there's thousands of them, millions of them. It's like I'm riding under a super highway of gnats. It's weird. They're not anymore right now. Back there was like, I mean, it was like the sky was black above me. Lake Michigan is like dirtier than Lake Superior, see? Like when you look out and then beyond, it's just super brown. The whole thing is brown. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Welcome to Nama. Ooh. No Nama Resort. Your secret second home. Camping cabins, store boats, bikes, dumping station. Do 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 do. I just like this, got all this great stuff, and then the dump station. Oh. So next bus stop is going to be in, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. We're going to our last lighthouse of the day. It's at the bottom of this point, and it's down there somewhere. It's not, I can see it in the distance. We are 42 miles from leaving the Upper Peninsula. We're almost to St. Ignace. Ignace on the... oh, never mind. Dumb joke. There's more of them. See? Those are bugs. Is that black? Those are bugs. That black line is not smoke. It is thousands, millions upon millions of little small flies. I wanted to go into St. Ignace, but I looked it up. Starting in about an hour and then going for the next 8 hours at this spot, there's going to be 1.5 inches of rain. Oh, there's a fair booth. Hope they don't take cards. I can't make it over there. I was thinking maybe I'd go to Mackinac Island, get a hotel room for the night, go on foot, take some photos. It's gonna rain until like tomorrow at noon. And so my thought is, let's just get across the effing bridge. And let's get across the bridge and then go get some food somewhere, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this weather. The toll person said, go extra slow. It's very windy today. Have you not ridden in Newfoundland? I mean, this bridge is paved. That's an upgrade. Oh, it's not paved. We got our fun little grates here. That is zero fun, man. There's a fort over there. Huh. we're here on Mackinac Island. And as I told you guys earlier, it's going to rain like 1.5 inches today and tomorrow. So I'm here to kill some time. Few people just drive by this island and hop on the ferry and get a B&B. But this beats, I'd still be driving right now down to Flint, Michigan. So this is a much better use of my time. And it's cheaper than the Marriott. It was $100 for the B&B for a single room with shared bathroom. And I think $30 at the ferry. Dinner's gonna be pricey. There were 3 restaurants that I wanted to try. The first 2 were too expensive. So I'm going to, I think it's 1815 Grill. Cute little town. I like that the places that are privately owned have to say private residence. So people don't bug them about staying at the inn. But if you look at the island, there's probably, I didn't even know this place existed, but it turns out it's like a super touristy couple thing to do. You rent a bicycle and you on the carriage where horses pull you, and it's a whole thing. Yeah, I'm staying at this, it's up here on the right, it's something grill. Is it right here? No, I'll find it. Anyway, we're here. Found it. 1852 Grill. There it is, right there. Oh, you're fine.